So we're here in Dublin on the corner of Mackin Street and Lower Grand Canal Street at the launch of the Marie Keating Foundation's Listen to Your Lung campaign, including the first ever coughing billboard here behind me. The billboard is part of a wider campaign which we are running in the month of November, which is Lung Cancer Awareness Month, and the campaign is being run in association with MSD and Roche. The idea is to attract the attention of passers-by. The board says, I had a chesty cough that wouldn't go away. I got checked after 3 weeks. But within that message there are letters in red that say, I had cancer. Lung cancer is the fourth most common cancer in Ireland, but it's actually the biggest killer of all types of cancer. A persistent cough could be a sign of lung cancer. Listen to your lungs.